If you're looking for some amazing DIYs, us here at Ready Set Viral are going to give you some rich and cute DIY projects that you can do. Number 1, Spotify code keychain. For this one, you're going to need some shrink plastic, which you can get at your local craft store. Then, go onto Spotify and find your favorite song. Save the Spotify code to your photos, and once you're done, zoom in super big onto it and place your shrink plastic over and trace it with a permanent marker. Make sure to do this pretty big as it's going to shrink in the oven. Then get a hole puncher and place one hole where you want the keychain to be held by. Once you're done, place it on a baking sheet with foil in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. You'll know when it's done. When you take it out, it'll be a hard plastic keychain with the cutest Spotify code on it. Number 2, DIY floral candles. For this one, you're going to need some larger candles and then small tea light candles that are the same color. Light the small tea light candles, and once some of the wax starts to show up, design how you're going to place artificial flowers all over the candle. To seal them onto the candle, use a paintbrush and dip it lightly into the wax and seal the artificial flowers over the candle. Once all the wax is dry and all the artificial flowers are placed, it will look like a super rich candle. Number 3, adorable weekly to-do list. For this one, grab a square piece of wood and spray paint it in gold paint. Then you can either use a stencil like we did or freehand it with paint, but paint in the words weekly goals. Then grab a few pieces of sticky notes and place them where you'd like to place your weekly goals every week. Then trace them around with some dotted lines to make it look super cute and rich. And then once you're done, you can replace the sticky notes each week with your new goals. Number 4, adorable ceramic mugs. For this one, you're going to need as many ceramic mugs as you want to decorate in white. Then get some different colored paint markers, and if you want to do it how we did, use some squiggly lines all over the first cup, then use a different color and put some dashes all over the cup as well. And finally, place some dots with a third color. You can do any design you want, but once you're done designing all of your mugs, place them in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, and once you take them out, the design will be sealed. Number 5, adorable phone case. If you want your phone case that is a little boring to be spiced up a little bit and to look super rich, first get some wax paper and hot glue and draw a heart and fill it in. Get some glitter and place it all over the heart and wipe off the excess back into the jar. Once it's dry, you can peel it off. You can play around with different colors and also mix 2 in 1. Once you're done, hot glue these hearts in any way you choose to your phone case, and your case will look super rich now. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!